Yeah, that's a really good question of, real estate and what area do you get into if you're new and so forth. And I would just say again that, finding something that you really enjoy doing. Do you want to be representing a buyer, do you think? Or do you want to be on the seller side? I think the number one thing that people don't do when they get in real estate that they need to do is find a mentor. Find someone that's selling luxury real estate, volunteer to work for them for 6 months, learn from somebody else, watch what they're doing, how they're doing their contracts, how they're calling people, are they staging, all of those good different things. Find a mentor and stick with that mentor. Get into a coaching program. We'll talk about that maybe at some point, but absolutely get into a coaching program and stick with it. Learn as much as you can. Be a lifetime learner. I've been doing this again 35 years and I'm still learning. Every deal that I do, I'm learning something from. Learn, keep reading, keep studying, keep coaching. We'll talk about coaching. For more information, go to my website, which is www.anitawheelerrealtor.com.